Hi, good morning. You're watching CYGWIN UNIX emulator. This tool allows you to execute the Unix commands, scripts on Windows operating system. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to make use of the command called cat. Cat is a command which does different actions like create a file, append a file information into other file, append the content into the existing file, merge or overwrite the information into the existing file or any other file. In simple, it is responsible for creating a file and appending information into other files or existing file. I'm going to create a first file called first. So the content I'm going to terminate it. Now see, I created a file called first. I'm going to open it by saying cat first. So to create a file, you're going to use a direction called single direction, which is called redirect symbol. If you use one single greater than, which redirects information, which overwrites the information in the existing file, or if the file is not existed, it is going to create a new file. For example, first is a file already existed. Now you're going to give information. This is my second file, and terminate. To terminate, we are going to use Ctrl+C to come out of that command. So to view it, we are going to see again cat first. So but this time the information overwritten. The previous information is this is my first file, but now you're saying this is my second file. Since we used single redirect operation symbol to existing file, and it overwrites. Whenever you don't want to overwrite it, then what exactly you need to do is cat. You want to merge the information. This is my first file. Now see how it looks like. So you are able to see the two lines, the existing the line which has already existed and the line which you appended just now. So you got clarity on using the redirect symbol. So I'm going to create a file called first second. Now see what happens here is all the information whatever there in the first is copied into the new file which is not there. Since it is not existed, the cat enables the file to create, and the information whatever present in the first file appended to the second. So just give practice to make yourself comfort, and we'll meet in next class with a new command. Thank you. Bye bye.